Alrighty, welcome back to, Vulcan Alpha and another video about my Civic from hell. Right now it's Civic from rust probably. But in today's video, the main task is to strip the chassis completely because we'll be caging it, of course, like proper track car, so everything needs to go out. And we'll be probably also test fitting a couple of components because I've been asked to fit the seat so they can see where they're gonna install the harness bar and maybe also pedal box while we're at it. And for the sake of content, it's going to be more interesting to see what kind of disastrous, horrible things we're gonna find because this car has been a gift that kept on giving. So just a reminder, I mean, engine blew up has partially to do with me because we didn't check oil, just went out for a lap on very grippy Nankang CRS tires and then it died. But the gearbox that was attached to the old engine that was sent to the gearbox revision, or actually to put M-Factory short gear ratios, to put a couple of other things, all the, what's it called? LSD and yada yada yada, they opened it and it ran without oil. So I guess it's kind of on the, on whoever owned the car previously. Then on the trunk, we found, don't even ask what all of this is. It's, quite interesting. So all of that is gonna go away. It's like someone spilled oil and then there was even like a rotten potato in there. One of the previous videos, you can see that. So yeah, but this all is gonna be cut out because we can have then a nice diffuser coming out. So yeah, stripping, completely stripping. So
or he'll lift him.
take a seat.
Alright. Who needs a gym?
Yeah. Minus 20 kilos or something.
Damn, that's crazy.
Guess my tire is screwed. And so is the bumper. The thing that we found out that this car has been literally put together with just random parts. So like on the left, this left side of the bumper was held together with a Phillips screw, just like straight through. The right part of the bumper was held together with an Allen key and nuts and bolts. I told you, it's a gift that keeps on giving. So it's actually like gonna be a proper transformation when you go from God knows what this is to God knows what's it going to be.
It's a Civic, dude. It's nothing like crazy. It's a Honda Civic. It has to be put together with random stuff. That's a culture, you know.
True. What else are we gonna find? Alright, we need another Allen key.
Alan.
Oh yeah, never been crashed for sure. I'm actually genuinely curious when the chassis will be disassembled completely to put the carbon fiber molds. Sorry, to put the carbon panels on the back, how destroyed and how much filler we're gonna see. Because I think you can see the back left quarter, come with me. So, I think you can actually see here, let me grab my phone. It's like a very interesting, there's like lots of deformation going through here. There's it's like not orange it's peel, it's like mango or something. No, cucumber peel. That's how it looks like. Can probably find somehow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then obviously this, but also when you listen to it. So it's
Sounds like a Honda. Sounds like Joe's car. My car? My car doesn't make sounds because it's just sitting in one spot.
Actually, it's into paint today, no?
Yeah. It's over, dude. We're gonna be TF buddies until the exit. until the entrance of the track, and they just go
It's
disappear.
actually perfect because it's like first trying everything, and I just see if it works, you know.
Yeah.
So it's gonna get painted a color that I chose. So if it's it's on this car.
Quick disclaimer, I'm running on 1.5 hours of sleep, 24 hours ago almost. So
Out there.
if I'm slow in today's video, that's why. That's why I'm building a fast car, so I can be slow.
It's just like that.
What the f*** is this? What happened here?
What are you wearing?
Look, Mo. I think by doing this, I've done more on working on cars than the last 10 years. On video, at least.
Ah!
Oh man, that weighs like 5 billion
Yeah,
kilos.
just bring
8 kilos. Now we've got a new sledge.
I don't know why I'm putting all these crusty, rusty, horrible screws or like nuts back on. Because I'm definitely gonna put something more new and shiny back on once it's... Oh, there's a spider. Where did it go? Backseat with Boris. Without Boris, just backseat.
You're not gonna need it again.
No. Free pickup.
Ah! What?
Can you get me a 3/8 10?
You get
18 or a 19? And the gun.
I can't hear you.
Axle is empty. Thank you, Joe, for the help.
Did you ask for help?
Yes.
No.
No, if you see someone gasping for help in the water, and then he dies,
Were you gasping for help?
yes.
No, I just thought you were out of breath because you're fucked.
Can you?
The correct way to use a handbrake. Hold the thumb in and yank it, you know?
Engine's going out, and then we'll probably put it in somewhere else, in another Civic. Because that's how it goes. But first we need to refresh it, because I think it's not that great.
You think?
Yeah. There we go. Oh! Voila!
Oh!
By the way, while I'm watching this, I'm looking for a power-steered steering rack. Goes 275 on the front, maybe
So?
285.
So, chat.
Bro took the engine out faster than you took his gas out.
Shut the fuck.
So basically the Civic build is like 11 months waiting for two and then just 1 month of building it. A year build.
Man. But we're here. Now we have progress. Now we can have fun.
Yeah.
There's a turn signal.
Oh no! Indicator! Oh, it's gone. Fell out. So, for people who missed the previous episode, half a year ago or so, look at this.
Look at it, look at it.
Without fucking
Ah no, this is but we have money. Oh,
We got money.
20 cents. I thought this was potato because it was actually a potato. Don't ask me why.
E36 doesn't have this much wire, and this is stupid. This is before they established Mitsubishi, I think.
Mitsuba.
Mitsuba.
Something actually came up my mind now. As you may know, I bought a Honda Ballad AMG, basically Civic AMG for South African market. Do you know how 190 and the Civic are connected?
AMG?
Kinda, sure, actually. Well, in a way, yeah, sure, actually. Why did my Honda AMG became a thing? Why did it came to existence? Because Mercedes was in South Africa, but Honda not. But Mercedes wanted to sell something to South African people which would be under 190. Because
Like
190,
a daily.
yeah, something that's more affordable.
Yeah.
So that's why they decided to make a Honda AMG. And the Honda Ballad AMG you could only buy in Mercedes dealership because Honda dealership didn't exist there.
Oh, that's neat. I didn't know.
Yeah, so
That's cool.
there it is.
TF final boss seating position.
UK spec.
Honda spec. This is just. This is a stupid amount of wiring for such a small car. BMW did it better.
There you go, son.
Holy
Good bit of weight there.
brother,
Weigh that.
dude.
Is that 10 kilos?
More, 15 probably. Yeah, actually.
50, dude.
But it's heavy. Heavy. So either this doesn't fit or I have the wrong one.
Yeah, you've got the wrong one.
And here, yeah, okay. Well, I guess this is going to be the seating position, maximum to the back, because we have the pedal box. By the way, this is the outro, so we're all going to sleep, we're going home. But maximum back for the weight distribution and for the maximum awesomeness. Proper race car, basically like GT4, GT3 and all the proper cars. So I'm gonna put this back and gonna take this off. Your hands. So yeah, it's been a very long day, but actually it took about 5 hours to strip the car completely, because now it's like, yeah, just before midnight. The only thing I want to mention, as we said at the beginning of the video, that the rear quarter panels are probably FUCKED, and we found out that they indeed are. I'm not sure if you can see it. There's like some very nasty weld on both sides. So I guess it's not the accident damage, not the crash damage. They were probably just rotten and they had to replace them. But yeah, that's, I guess, it. The chassis is now stripped, so the cage can go in. And in the meanwhile, I'll be getting some more parts, like a steering column, so we can extend it. We'll probably have to reposition the shifter here, although I have a sequential gearbox coming. But at the beginning, we will have, yeah, I cannot reach then this. So yeah, everything custom, everything spicy, big, special. So let's see. All right, nap time. Thanks for joining us. Hope you're excited as much as I am. I will be more excited tomorrow once I have more sleep. Lapo, thank you so much for making this happen. It's kind of exciting to finally work on this car.
I think it's gonna be fast.
Oh yeah, it's going to be very, very fast. All right, well, good evening. My hands are completely German winter mode. So bad.